Right, so we've got our domain name and we've got our hosting package sorted out. We've installed WordPress, so the next job is to choose our theme. So now you've got your domain name, you've sorted out your hosting, and you've installed WordPress. And WordPress, right out of the box, doesn't look like much. And it comes with a default theme, which we're about to see. So the first thing you need to do is you need to log in with the details that you set up when you installed WordPress. So I'll just be able to do that quickly. So, so we log in now, and you can see that when you go to Appearance and then Themes, it comes with a default theme, and there's usually one every year. So this year, obviously, it's 2021, but and that may well suit you. But if you look at this button up here, it says Add New. It then gives you a selection of 15 featured themes. And then if you look at popular, there are over 4,000 of them. So it is possible to spend a long time browsing these and kind of wasting a lot of time looking at which one. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of some of them that I think you ought to consider. But clearly, for the point of this exercise, I can only choose one, so we'll end up with one. So there are literally thousands here. On other sites such as Theme Forest, you can find a whole load more, and the popular one, I think the most popular one there is Avada, which is a very good one. Or another excellent one is Beaver Builder, and we're getting now away from themes that kind of dictate the way that your page is laid out into ones that have page builders, and you can essentially just drag and drop and lay out your pages as you would want to. So these ones like Beaver Builder, and another one is Elementor, which is extremely popular, used by millions, and Divi by Elegant Themes, again used by millions of people or millions of websites. They have the fantastic advantage that you're not constricted to any particular layout. You can lay out your pages exactly the way that you want to. So it's up to you to choose which theme you want to go for. You can get a bit bogged down in the details, but for me, any of the last three, Elemental, Beaver Builder, or Divi, would be perfect. And as I can only choose one, I'm going with the one that I use on a daily basis, which is this one, Divi. So what you have to do here is get an account with them. It shows you the pricing here. £89 a year or lifetime access. Once you've got your account, you can then download the theme. So I'm going to log in now, and we'll go through that process. And there we are, download the Divi theme, which is what we're going to do. So I've downloaded that, and then we go back to the back end of your website. So here you can choose any one of these, as we've discussed, or what we're going to do is going to click on Upload Theme, choose a file, and it's going to be where we just saved it to. So there we are. Open it up, install, and there we go. There we are. It's done. Oh, it's done it. So then I'm going to click on activate. And there we've done. So this one is still here, the 2021, but the Divi is now active. And you can, obviously, you can swap between the two at any time. It makes no difference. You're not going to upset your site if you try them all out. So what does its site look like now? Visit site. Well, it doesn't look like anything, but it's changed from how it used to, that's for sure. So remember that. Activate. And then what it looked like before. There you are. And we'll go back again and look at it now. So there we are. We have our theme, and in the next video, I'll show you how to start using it and to start actually building your website and your look and feel and your pages. So there we are. We're now good to go.